Falling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night.
Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Sorry that I didn't post for a whole week. School got the best of me and then I got the flu, and anyway, I'm sorry. But today I'm excited to bring to you a hair tutorial video. I'll be showing you how I did this short bob cut style of box braids on my own head for myself. This is the box braids 4 days later, so I did this on Sunday and today is Tuesday. It's not the first time I'm wearing box braids, but it is the first time that I did it for myself. So yeah, if you're ready to learn how to do box braids on yourself, or you just want to see how I did this style of box braids, then stay tuned. As you can see, I have sectioned my hair off into a lot of small sections. Just so now all I have to do is insert the box braids. This is the braid that I bought. It's Expression Realistic, and I just bought it in a cosmetic store. I bought it in Pennywise. So I will definitely be cutting this. Like, look at the length of it. Okay, so progress report. I did 2 already, and I think they turned out pretty okay. And I like this look where, you know, with the fluffy ends, where the ends look bluntly cut. I actually like that look. I did end up folding the hair into 4 sections, so this is how short it is. That's how short I'm doing it. And I take a pretty generous amount, so kind of have to feel it out. So like this amount is good, like that. And what I do is I kind of pull the ends so that it's not too like abrupt. This is the first time I'm doing this on myself, so I don't know how the end result is gonna be, but we'll find out. I will find out. If it's not up to par, then you will never find out. If you need to section off your hair before you braid to make it easier, then don't plait it. Put it into rubber bands. So that was a learning experience for me. Anyway, so this section of hair, I take the weave, put it around my hair, and pull all the weave to one side, and pull my hair to the next side, like that. So now all the weave is on the side, and my hair is on the side. And then you just start plaiting like if you start in a cornrow. So grab and hold on tight. Whichever finger you have on your own hair, hold on to that and keep pulling it so that the weave doesn't come off from the root of your hair. And then you just start plaiting down, just like that, and it's installed. So when I reach about there, I flip it over. So when I reach about there, I turn it over because I plait easier this way. And let me show you this part now. This part is pretty important. You see my hair in the middle here, this short thing. So I continue plaiting, but what I'm going to do is feed some of the weave into that. So turn it. I'll take some of this hair right here and put it into that section. Make sure you hold it like tight because you don't want it to stick through as you continue to plait. You continue plaiting, and then you take more hair from the other side, from the other piece, I guess, and feed it into your own the plait. Oh gosh, how to explain this? You basically just take hair from this side and take hair from this side and feed it into the piece that didn't have hair before. Yeah, and then you just continue. And for this part, you want to make sure you hold this like really close to the braid so that it doesn't stick through as you continue to plait down. Yeah, that's it. I'll do a next one in the back so you'll see how I do it. Right, so let me just show you again what I do. So I take this section like this I tease out one end just to give it a little extra length. It doesn't do much, but it also makes the end a little less even, so that plaiting to the end is a little bit easier. So I'm taking the weave and putting it around the section. So this is my hair to one side, and we have the weave to the other side, right? That's simple enough. My hair, weave. Then all you do is start plaiting, like if you're cornering without cornering, so you're just doing a plait, and you're holding onto your hair tight such that the weave doesn't run down the hair and it stays at the roots. I think that's the most important thing in this is to keep it tight. When I plait a little bit way down, I bring the hair to the front so I can work on it faster. So when I bring it to the front, I start incorporating the weave into my own hair. So I take some from this side, and then I take some from the other side. This is the point where my hair ends. You see in this? Hold that tight as you incorporate it. That's why I blow dried my hair too, so that it would stretch as much as possible and incorporate better into the braid because it's so straight. And yeah, once you get past where your hair ends, it becomes very, very easy. I just plait down neatly. Try not to have any straggly strays. The whole reason I decided to put in braids is because, well, primarily because I was just fed up of dealing with my hair for a little while. Like, I really just needed a break. Like, school started back recently, and my goal for about a month now was to try to take care of my hair better. Like, I haven't been taking care of it very well. So the goal was to like moisturize it more and do protective styles more, to sleep with more satin bonnet and all that. But since school started, like, I've really, that goal has like just gone through the window. Sometimes I have 4C hair, and you probably already know type 4C hair is the most delicate hair type, meaning it tangles up very easily. It forms a lot of natural easy. It is very difficult to moisturize. It's difficult to detangle because you can't just comb 4C curls as you would comb like straighter or looser curl patterns. And yeah, for all of those reasons, plus my hair is low porosity, so it definitely doesn't hold moisture very well. And taking care of it was just starting to get frustrating. Styling it was getting frustrating. So I just decided, you know what, let me try to do a protective style on myself before I just end up with a bald head. Yeah, I was actually contemplating just cutting off my hair. That's to tell you how frustrated I was. You know, I am still in the process of getting to just appreciate that my hair is as difficult to deal with as it is, and to love it for that. You know, it's really easy to see people with, and the grass is always greener. The grass is always greener. It's easy to see people with looser curls and think that their hair is way more manageable. Besides the fact that the beauty standard isn't, or has not been for a very long time, it's now starting to filter in that it's okay to have very tightly curled hair, that you still are beautiful. So besides the fact that it is hair that is difficult to manage, the confidence part, the self-esteem part of things come into play, and it's like, sometimes I do feel like, why is this my hair? And I thought that taking a break would be good for me to regroup, so that's what I'm doing. I'm putting in braids so that I can just have some time off from trying to manage my hair, you know, the styling, the moisturizing, all of that, the daily requirements for hair. Taking a break, I'm just taking a break from it so I can regroup, recenter myself, get into the groove of school, like just get my schedule under lock, so that then I have a fresh, non-frustrated mind to just deal with my hair. So besides all that drama of why I decided to put in box braids, the reason I'm doing it short is because I did not want the braids to be far off from my actual length. Yeah, I've never done it before, so I thought it would be different and cute to do. So yeah, when I reach to the point where I want it to be, I just measure it against everything else, and then I can just put the rubber band on. Anybody else bites the rubber band to use it? If you do, give this video a thumbs up. I can't be the only person who does that. It's just way easier to hold the rubber band on my fingers. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, I'm doing the last 3 that I have left here. So I just put some jam on this front one and give it a little plait at the root. And now I'm gonna install the braid. You already know what direction you're going in. I'm going backwards and like kind of to the side. So I'm starting over here. And remember, you want this to be a little tight, so you hold as much to the root as possible. And you start doing the cane motion. Obviously, people do this really quickly, but not me. I had to take a nap, all kind of thing, just to finish this. So I'm really glad that I'm at the end. If you think that I'm doing a pretty decent job for this being my very first time, then give this video a thumbs up and show me some support, you know. Right, so as I said, step 1, toothbrush. Let's jam. You brush that in with the edges. Complete and finished. Well, not exactly. I still have to put the hot water on the ends, but yeah, this is it. So now I just have to decorate it, and I'm good to go for a few weeks. Hey. So I just finished dipping my hair into the hot water. So all I did is put boiling water into a pot, and then I just dip the ends in and dry them. You have to be very careful when you're doing that because it's boiling water, so you don't want to burn yourself. I have an event to go to, so I'm gonna get ready for that, decorate my hair, and then show you the final product. I know I said that I was gonna go decorate my hair and get ready to go somewhere, but you know, life happened and I didn't end up going anywhere. So this is, as I said at the beginning, this is my hair 4 days later. I'm actually on my way to school. But I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you found it useful. If I had to tell you on a scale of 1 to 10 how much I recommend doing box braids as a protective style, it would be 10 for sure. Like, it has been so easy to just hold my hair up or like style it in different ways. A lot of the times I hold it like half down, half to the side and half up. And it has been so easy to just have a protective style in, so I don't have to spend a lot of time fixing my hair before I go to school. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe. That's very important. Have a great day, guys, and thank you so much for watching. I have to go like right now because I need to head into school, but as I always say, remember to stay lit, stay true, and be beautiful.